Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product openings and unboxings. Today I'll be reviewing this black dress. Ooh, the ribbing is quite interesting. You can see that the fabric is nice and stretchy. Ribbing stuff I really like because it's like kind of form fitting, but also like structured. The middle is open, but it doesn't go all the way to the back. So it's a one piece. And then all the way, it's like a dress, but not quite maxi. It's probably gonna go down to maybe like mid calf or something like that. Back is just fully covered. There's no zippers or anything. Oh, there is a nice slit on the side, quite a big one for mobility. So let me go ahead and try it on to see what it looks like. The fabric is super, super comfortable. I feel like, you know, really high quality. It just feels nice on the body. As you can see, the little detail here ends right there. As you can see in the back, it's just black all the way. So as you can see, the slit is quite high and it actually goes down to the knee. I thought that it would go like a little bit lower. So yeah, super trendy dress. I would say this little accent detail makes like the dress just very interesting. If you want to purchase this dress, go ahead and check out the links below. If you like product openings and unboxings, make sure to subscribe. Also make sure to comment about what you think about this dress. All right, bye.